All right, so here comes challenge 3. Now, currently in our website, if you right click and go to view page source, then you can see that we don't even have a full website. It's just a document that has an H1 element and a paragraph element. It doesn't even have a title in the tab bar, and it doesn't have any of the HTML boilerplate. Now, if inside your home.ejs, you've already added an HTML boilerplate and you've added a title and you've placed all of this content inside the body, then that's fine as well. But in this challenge, I want you to replace the header and the footer, basically everything other than your H1 and your paragraph, with our layout partials. So you can see inside our views folder, you've got a header.ejs and a footer.ejs that's already got some HTML code in it. And the header uses Bootstrap and the style sheet that we've got inside our CSS and our style.css in order to create a nav bar that has 3 links on it: home, about us, and contact us. And then it has some familiar Bootstrap classes, such as a container, nav, navbar, nav. And in the footer, all those divs are closed off. And we've also got some styling in the footer, as well as a paragraph of text. So I want you to go ahead and use EJS to add those layout partials, the header and footer, to our existing homepage, so that once you add it in and refresh your website, you should see the nav bar, the 3 links in the nav bar, a brand on the left, and a footer at the bottom with some text. And you'll see all of the CSS that we've got inside our styles.css being applied to this web page. So by using the EJS docs as well as Google or Stack Overflow, try and remember how we did this and try to complete this challenge. All right, so there's only one hint in this challenge, and it's this one. Inside the EJS docs, if you scroll down to the part which is called layouts, you can see that it allows us to include headers and footers as partials. So you can use this syntax to include our header and footer files. With this hint, see if you can complete this challenge now.